Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat. Today is Sunday and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. So we're going to get up this morning knowing that this is Renew Your Spirit Day and get ourselves ready and then get the children ready with our morning routines, have breakfast. After breakfast, go on to church. If you have to, if the kids are wearing really nice clothes to church, you might want to let them put them on after breakfast, because there's a rule. If they wear casual clothes, they won't get anything on them. If they wear nice clothes, they're going to get something on them. So I know my church, we wear casual clothes most of the time, so it's not an issue. But if you do wear nicer clothes, make sure to think about that. Okay, also wear an apron yourself if you don't want to get, bacon grease on your dress. Next thing is go to church. When you come back, if you choose to go to church, when you come back, have your day together. You only have 3 routines today: morning routine, after dinner routine, before bed routine, because there's no laundry and there's no paper on Sunday. There's no zones on Sunday. So this is a super easy day. So you're going to do your morning routines, go to church, come back, have a nice dinner, after dinner routine, family included, and then your before bed routines. Now, today is Sunday, so I want you to take a look at your planner and make sure it's filled out for the week as best you can. You may not have all your meals on there because you haven't made your menu yet. If you make it typically on Wednesday, then you'll have at least Monday and Tuesday, possibly Wednesday meals on there. So you can have that on there. Put on the planner your zones and your basic weekly plan items and routines. Now, routines are probably in your mind. You know what to do. If you don't, make sure you have them written down, or make sure you listen to these daily videos. Every day I'll walk you through your routines. The morning routine I don't so much right now because we majored in that last season. So make sure you have it written down if you've forgotten them. All right, and then before bed we're going to do a before bed routine. So don't forget, even on Sunday, 3 clutter checks. 3 clutter checks. We're going to keep the clutter at bay so that you're not having to go and bail yourself out from clutter before you can even get into your zone again. That's no fun. We're going to keep the clutter at bay. 3 clutter checks a day. That is a self-discipline for you. It is not a meanness. I'm not being mean or harsh. I'm giving you the truth. So we want to keep the clutter at bay. And also when you clutter check, it's not a meanness for your children. It's a kindness. And you're showing them where they've left things thoughtlessly. It's not that they are a thoughtless person. It's the kind of people we all tend to be. We just put things where we don't even know that we've done it. Just like you sit your phone down and don't remember where you put it. It's the same thing. So be kind, but be firm, and get the clutter picked up 3 times a day, and let them know that they're not alone, that you do it too, and so it'll make it easier. All right, and then after your clutter checks, you're going to do your before bed routine tonight. Again, before bed routine, clutter check, and then the children's before bed routine, and then your before bed routine. So kids' before bed routine is clutter check, and then 30 minutes before bed, give them a warning, and then 5 minutes before the before bed routine, give them a warning. It's not a mean warning, it's just a reminder. And then that gets their little heads ready so that they're not just pulled out of play. That's going to make them cry. It would make you cry too. All right, and then you're going to have them pick up the things they're playing with or messing with, depends on their age, but those things have to be put away. And then it's pajamas, dirty clothes, teeth, sink, hand towel. So it's brush your teeth, clean out the sink from the toothpaste, hang up your hand towel if you use it, and then bath or shower, including hair if they're going to wash it, and then dirty clothes in the basket, bath towel hung up so it can dry. Please try to see it from your children's point of view, especially if they're small and it's a struggle. They need something that they can reach. So get on your knees, get to their height, and see how it would be for you to do it, because we don't want to do it if it's a struggle, and children have less discipline than we do. So find something easy for them, like a hook or something that they can reach, so they can hang their towel up and it can dry. And then the pajamas on, pick out a story or a book, and then either you read aloud to them, or an older sibling reads aloud, or they read to themselves. A book or 2 books, your call. A chapter or 2 chapters of a chapter book, one or the other, your call. All right, after they're settled in bed, then you're going to get yourself ready. So you're going to look at your planner. You've already put those things in there. Tomorrow is a brand new week, whether you an at-home FlyBaby working as a mother at home, or you're working from home as a payroll FlyBaby, or you're working outside the home as a payroll FlyBaby. It's a work week. We have work to do. So we're going to look and see what the week calls for. So you're going to look through there and make sure you've got your dentist appointment on there, your doctor's appointments, whatever is in there, and what you're going to wear for that particular meeting or this particular thing that you're doing. So you're going to lay out your clothes for tomorrow. You're going to check the kitchen. If everybody's in bed now, you can make sure that everybody had put their dishes in the dishwasher. If not, go ahead and put those last few things in. Spray and wipe out your sink. Put a fresh towel out for the sink. Put the old towel in the laundry. You know, close your curtains, turn off the lights, those kinds of things. Now, if you're still going to stay up with your husband, don't leave him in the dark and don't run the dishwasher yet. Run it after your shower or bath. But let's go in the bathroom now. We've got your PJs. You've got your clothes ready for tomorrow, your jewelry, your shoes. Go ahead and take your bath or shower if you do that at night. If not, do that in the morning. Clean your face, brush your teeth, moisturize your skin, put on your pajamas, put your dirty clothes in the dirty clothes. If you have clean clothes, still hang them up to air out. Maybe you just need to get a spot off of it, hang it up to air out. And then what? Then we go to the, so we've done the kitchen, we've done the bathroom, hang your towel up, make sure the bathroom looks tidy. And then you know what time you need to be asleep, so arrange to get in bed before that time so that you can watch your video or talk to your husband or watch television or read a book or whatever until that time where you need to go to sleep. And then when you need to go to sleep, arrange it so that you get your 6, 7, 8, or 9 hours, whatever your body requires, so that you can get up a half hour before the family in the morning. That's it. So I hope you had a fabulous, are going to have a fabulous Sunday and a great week, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Always remember that you are beautiful. Bye.